Actually, now we had completed the registration for the room authentication on admin panel. So now I'm going to start camera here. Okay. So once I start the start camera, it will show you the image. It will capture the webcam and it will analyze whether the particular registration phase is available on in front of the camera or not. If it is in front of the camera, the registered face is available, it will notify that whatever the name I had registered over here. If it is not available, it never show any name and it show it is unauthorized user. Okay. For the next app, I used Streamlight for the implementation. Okay. So here I gathered a loss data set. I imported some API here. Okay. So container status of 2023 for the particular year and timing. So here these are all the containers which we are using over here. The last message which at what time we had retrieved and what will be the battery ranges, whether it is okay or not, and how much kilometers it is traveled on that basis. And based on that we can able to elaborate the um, graph over here. So totally we are having four type of container. I used one API based on this location. For this only I took the API and also I can able to gather data over there. So I imported here because on IoT we have to analyze the current location and what will be the status of the battery, all those things. So without using any hardware, by using API, we are identifying the current status of the particular containers. So here we can able to show the founder tags which is available. So it can able to show what type of broad it is and what tag it is and what will be the date and time for the particular containers. And we can able to download it also. We can able to download and if we open it will be overall here and show the original data. The original data will be what will be the distance, what will be the battery, what will be the power bank, and what will be the tag names, all those things. If you are interested to download for this also, you can download it over here. And based on the batteries, what will be the range for the particular containers based on the timings, and what will be the distance, and what will be the power bank, and what will be the tags over here. And this is the current location of the particular containers.